Hi, we back here on we don't know what it's gonna call it, but it's we got a new guest here tonight.
Hello, hi.
His name is.
You love me.
Wait, okay. His name is Roble, and he's here to talk about I don't know. He wants to say something tonight, and he wants to share. What do you want? What do you want to be when you later on when you grow up, Roble? What do you want to be in life?
I want to be a police.
You want to be a police guy?
Yeah.
Why? You want to arrest the bad guys?
Yes, for stealing stuff
For stealing stuff.
and robbing something in the house.
Yeah.
It's not good.
That's
or
not good.
breaking the window.
Yes. Did you ever steal something in your life, Mr. Roble?
Never.
Someone once told me, I'm not sure if this is true, but I'm asking you, someone once told me you took something for Dollarama. Is that true, or
No. Never.
you're innocent?
No.
So you want to be a police guy?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. At least you have a goal. So, what do you have to do to be a police? How do you get there?
Like you go police station, sign. You ask where we sign the paper. Be a police.
Yes.
You gotta wait someday. Be a police.
Unfortunately, I'm sorry. That's not how things work. You have to go through school, and you gotta finish school, and do your homework, and
I know.
you gotta study. You gotta learn, and you go to college after, and then it's a trip. It's a trip. It's not. You don't just walk in a police station and just sign up and say, I want to be a police guy. That's kind of funny at the same time, but it's good. And also, how's your social life? What do you do for a living right now?
Life?
Yeah, what do you do? What do you do right now?
I'm a clean.
Sorry?
Clean.
You clean?
Do my laundry
You do your laundry?
and clean all the stuff in the room, in
Yeah.
the kitchen,
Yeah. That's
and everywhere. Like
Yeah.
like this. Like
Yeah.
this Chinese good.
Yeah, the Chinese thing. Yeah, I see that. And I have a question. Do you mind if I ask you something?
Yeah.
Is that true you have two dads, or because I never heard a kid has two dads. You usually have one real dad, and
No, I have two dads. No, I have to wait.
Yeah.
Two dads. No, not this one here.
he's not your real dad.
No.
Who's your real dad?
He's in Djibouti.
Djibouti?
Yeah, one is here. One somewhere here, Ahmed.
Ahmed? Oh, okay. I'm sorry for giggling, but okay. You have anything you want to say on this video before we finish the video?
Oh yeah. You know me?
Yeah.
I'm a good guy. For helping the life for everybody, the problems, and no fight. I'll be a good guy.
Bravo. Thanks. That's very touching, Roble. We'd like to hear that from you once soon again. We know you're a good guy, and you're helping the community and you're helping other people, and so I guess we gotta wrap it up, and we'll see you next time. We'll see you next time. Mr. Roble. Cut.